Hello, it's Neal Romanek, and I'm in Spain. You can tell because they're playing Carmen in the background. Oh, and there's drones. Drones are on the way. See, we're here at the ISE show, Integrated Systems Europe. You know how I know that? Because drones in the sky are telling me. Yep, those are drones up there. Integrated Systems Europe is the AV show. That's audio, visual, that's sound and pictures. This is day one, end of day one. Really great day at the show. We did a conference. I moderated the conference session on cybersecurity. I'll do another conference session tomorrow on sustainability. And now we're going to enjoy some spectacular audio, visual, spectacular, plus drones. So that's Push Beyond. That's the theme of this year's ISE show. That means we're going to try to push beyond things. And that was really impressive. That was really, really great. You see some of the sponsors there up in the sky. And what could be better sponsorship than that? Having your brand in the night sky with everybody gaping at it and taking pictures with their phones, and it looks like the end of Close Encounters around here. It's really something. It really does have an effect on people.